This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Ellis. You don't want to miss this adorable Cape Cod Style home, lovingly cared for with fresh paint and new refrigerator, granite countertops and ensuite primary bathroom. Original hardwood floors, ceramic tile in kitchen, new flooring in the laundry area. Conveniently located near Langley AFB and Shipyard. New fence in this fully enclosed backyard along with a willow oak that is easily 150+ years old and rivals the size of Hampton University's famous tree. A natural beauty. Call for your private tour today. September 27, 2024. For more information, review the details below.